I'm trying to get back on my diet because I got a little porky over Christmas. But because I'm not very well, I'm not wanting to eat much. But it's just like rubbish as well that I'm wanting to pick at. My ex is Tootsie_29. Jose, I don't know how to pronounce it, but a bit of both. Why not? Seafood diet, yeah, I love that one. Thank you, Charlie. Shows if I can. I think if you check out my bio, it's got the links and stuff on there. No, Alex, I haven't really eaten much today, so it's not really bloated. Just here for a chat, really. If you don't want to chat, then you don't need to be here. Pardon me. Brazilian, I think. Ruby. It's nice to have a poopy. Go for it, Gavin. Why not? That's a shame, K2. You must resist the temptation. Hey. Hi. Oh, thank you. Hey, Tommy. Not at all, Gavin. Can you? Oh, best hide them then. Junior, if you want to check my bio, it's got all my links in one place now. Why? Why not? Why not? And why would that stop people? I wonder. My week, it's only Tuesday. And I haven't been very well, so it won't be a very exciting conversation. It has snowed here though. That's exciting. A delivery driver come and dropped something off earlier. And because we live like at the bottom of a bank, they couldn't get back up the drive. And they just kept wheel spinning, probably for about 20 odd minutes. And I felt really bad because there was nothing that I could really do. But because we're on a farm, thankfully, the farm would come to the rescue. In his yellow JCB. Yeah, I'm all blocked up. Hey Emmanuel, I am back. Happy New Year. I'm really hungry. My belly's rumbling. Oh, thank you so much. Feel free to message me on here, message me on Instagram, Tootsie_96, follow me on X, Tootsie_29. Manuel, you missed a good one earlier. Oh, thank you, Kevin. I don't think I'll try. 2 seconds. There we go. I've pinned it. My tummy's got big rumbles. Rumble in the jungle. The outfit is nothing special today. I'm not very well, so like that's an excuse. I'm in my slobby comfies. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kobe. You can message me on here if you want to, or you can message me on Instagram, Tootsie_96. Okay, Junior, no problem. Thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I will, Junior. No problem at all. I'm from the UK. Thank you. No, King, sorry. I don't do that. But thank you. Ben, you're a loser. Thank you. Let me just see. Thunder King. I did a Whopper one earlier. So ticklish. Size 8. Thank you, Sock Sniffer. Happy New Year. Hard boiled. They're not actually. They were freezing. Was it yesterday? They were absolutely freezing. I had the heating on for a bit today though. It's a bit more toasty in here. Could you, Stonker? Where are you from then? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I need to repaint them. They are diabolical at the moment. Because I don't really have them out, obviously, through the winter. Wear boots and stuff, so. So snotty. Thanks. Ben, you're a pathetic loser. No, I was actually live yesterday. Not for very long though. But it was just to basically say Happy New Year to people. Granted. Thank you, Gray. Yeah, probably. Thank you, Tarek. I don't think you'd be very interested in this outfit, honestly. It's just comfy trousers and a comfy top. Thank you, Kevin. Hey, Joe. Happy New Year. Size 8. Joe, you've missed a few. I've done like 3, Seth. I've done like 3 this live. I feel like I need to sneeze really bad. Looking at the light helps me. Guys, don't forget to check out my bio my linked me. Links are on there. I used one earlier and not a lot come out, unfortunately. Probably because I've done it like the past couple of days. Need to let it build up. Oh, I'm tired. I really need to have something to eat, I think. I ain't got it, Piers. Thank you, Derek. Thank you. I just washed it. They do, like, cabbage and eggs a lot of the time. Actually, I have quite a bit today, actually, and yesterday. I have my belly. And I do have ears, but I don't wear earrings, so. Thank you, Tarek.